Good afternoon, this is Lori with 1860 Timeless Design, and I am bringing you a vintage bird cage on a vintage stand that I am placing in my booth at Friendship in Franklin, Indiana. And I have styled it with some pink and beige artificial hydrangeas, a cross, an ornament that says Jesus is King. We have a little birdie here and a little Easter egg picture frame. Zoom out so you can get the full effect of how pretty it is. Once again, this is Lori with 1860 Timeless Design, bringing you another creation. Come shop at Friendship in Franklin, Indiana.